Welcome to week number 8. You made it. We're almost at the end of the class. We have one more week to go. And there's quite a few things going on, so I'm going to put out this announcement a little bit early. This week we're going to cover two modules, Module 19 and Module 20. 19 is corresponding to Chapter 2 in the text, and we're going to talk about business ethics and social responsibility. They're combined together, which I'm not really sure that that's appropriate, but anyway, they combine them together in the text, so that's how we do it here. Anyway, I put it at the end of class. I think as you can see, it's chapter 2, and normally expect to cover it early in the class. But I think it's sort of a capstone for the class because it allows us to think about all the things we've learned about how businesses operate, what their objectives are, what they're trying to do. And then we have to counterbalance it with this idea that they also have to act socially responsible in a socially responsible way, and individuals and entire companies have to operate with this topic. So I think it's a good attendance for class. And the other module that we're going to do, which is part of the objectives of Business 101, is to cover resumes. I'll give you my perspective on it. I'm going to do a separate video because if I want you to submit your resume. I'm not explaining some of the benefits why you might want to do that. Okay, so there's a lot going on this week. First thing is, on Monday, when the MyLab quizzes are for Chapter 2 is due on Monday. I know that's a little bit of a departure, so make sure you get that done. And then we have 2 extra credit opportunities. So if you've kind of gone into the end of towards the end of class and you're saying, should I have an opportunity to make up some points? You do. It's right here. If you turn in your resume with your marketing plan, again, I'm just going to separate video directly this time. Then you have extra credit points available to you at the 10. And then on Thursday, very specifically on Thursday, just for the day on Thursday, there's a multiple choice story question on the movie you're going to watch today. So that movie is, and just put this chapter 2. We do have a discussion post this week, which means your original discussion post by Wednesday, and it's we're going to reflect on a short video regarding cargo. We also have you're going to make your final commentary on your posts by Friday next week. And then we have our last test, half of the class test, which is that'll be also due on the reason for that is the class officially ends on Saturday, so we're done. We have to wrap it up. Okay, so a couple of things I want to point out for this week that are really important. There's no OOPS tokens. I really don't have a lot of latitude and flexibility to change the dates here, so you've got to be on it and get it done for this week. Okay, so get everything done. And that's about it for the end of the class. So let me go. I'm going to quickly show you what we're covering. So looking at the module looking at question 2, you're going to want to, before you do your discussion post, watch a video. I think it's an incredible video. I think it's really amazing. So I've always, it's a story on the lapse of ethics at Wells Fargo. And one of the things that might be a good setup for you to do is to read through Wells Fargo's Code of Ethics, which I think is kind of interesting, and then compare that to how they actually acted in the situation of work. And then the other part that we're going to do is watch a documentary which summarizes to me in the very best way probably one of the largest failures of ethics in terms of impact in the United States. This is about the Enron Corporation, who some is, and the story by the time you're done watching this documentary, all about it. It's a very well made documentary. That's what make it part of the class. So please watch that. And again, we have the quiz on Thursday. So my suggestion is to watch the video pretty much right before you take the quiz. That's probably the best thing to do. This is a link for it. It's available for free through several sources. So if you did a Google search, you can get it from your library as well. But it's available to watch for free. Just a brief kind of a heads up warning. There's language in it. I'm sorry if you're offended by that. And there's a very brief section, very, very brief nudity in it. Pretty gratuitous. Very to do. But they did it anyway. So, so I asked you to. Anyway, it's a really. What else? So, and then there's this other one is about Love Now, which if you've never heard about it, and you have the time to do it, I think it's great documentary as well. Fairly, it's a real documentary, so it's not necessary. It's not optional for you to do, but it really kind of makes the thing, you know. Okay, so that's it for two. The other part of this is our resume building exercise. Building. We create a separate video for this and put it out. Okay. All right. So a lot going on. Big wrap up to class. So we got things and we're done. And formally wrap it up. Right. So if you have any questions, certainly don't hesitate to ask. Good luck with it.